Everyone, it's your boy John and I'm back again here with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at this head unit by Idoing. So if you get a unit like this, Idoing has these plug and play kind of like it's basically like a chip where it has all the Toyota plugs into it. Let me remove that. You kind of see right here. So this is the normal traditional Toyota plugs. We have the 10 pin, the 8 pin, or the 6 pin, sorry, and then 28 pin, etc. But now, though this is really great, Idoing also has the option of swapping these too. So I'm going to show you guys how to swap these in case you ever need to swap them. Let me show you the block that I'm going to have to change it with. So in this bag right here, I have the whole section with the ports. There you have it. So it has a fuse and everything, and it most likely goes something like this. Looks easy enough. You're gonna have to unscrew these two, these three, and lastly you're gonna have to unscrew this one. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so let me show you guys. Focus. So all of the screws were the same size besides this bottom right one. You can just remember that this one is going to be extra long. To remove it, I had to use a flathead screwdriver. All the screws that we mentioned are pulled out. And I took a flathead right here and I just slowly pried it. After prying it, you can see how it gets connected. So you see all these little ports right here. And you can see the pins where it plugs in play. So it's nice and easy. That's all it's gonna take. So let's slowly pull it in here. Now you want to be careful and not force it too much because let's remove it again. It feels fine to me, but you don't want to bend the pins. These pins are very, very fragile, and so you want to make sure all the pins are in a good shape. So try to, when you insert this component, try to do it as flat as possible. Alright, there you go. So I have the new ports in, and we're just gonna screw it back in, and that's all it takes to change all the ports in the bags. Right, so I have transplanted the new all these new ports. I'll show you the previous connectors. So you notice that this one has way more, and there's a reason for that. Let me show you. So in this bag where I bought the new ports from, it has pretty much like this one master one now. I don't know if you can see that, it's not getting in focus. But now this one plugs into this port right here. So plug it in, and now it shoots out a bunch of these ports. So it's more like that traditional style with the Toyota Camry. This bad boy for like reverse cameras and stuff like that, it looks like. So I'm gonna plug that one back in. And then lastly, there's a little CAN bus box. Let me show you guys that. Simple, soft. Ports, and to plug this bad boy in, there's just going to be a port right here. Boom. So that's all it's going to take, and hopefully you found this video helpful. If you guys were interested in this head unit itself, I'll leave links down below, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe because yeah, if you like content like this. smash that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.